Hey YouTube. Coming up, I make the mistake of maxing out the drill travel, causing the chuck to keep falling out. So I chopped out lots of footage of me just fighting with the chuck. The drill speed was too high once I got into the larger drill sizes, so I had to adjust the speed. I consider them lazy, but I now know why so many people on YouTube like step drills. They are so much quicker than using individual drill bits. Because the step drill only goes up in 2mm increments, I had to drill part of the hole larger than I wanted, but I wanted to keep the hub hole as close to the shaft size as possible, so I carefully sized the remaining material. The second hub hole went much faster than the first, since I'd already worked out which drills I wanted to use. Plus I spent ages trying to use the largest drill before I worked out I'd maxed out the drill travel. All I can say is sometimes I'm not all that smart. I tried various methods to try and remove the small amount of material that was left, especially made difficult with the chuck now constantly falling out. I wouldn't call any of them extremely successful, but I did get there in the end. As you can see, by the end I had worked up quite a sweat just drilling the two holes. Thanks for watching.